Ni hao and welcome to China.
Are you ready to catch up on your facts about China?
Well, ketchup was invented in China and it was called Kitsap.
Their national anthem is March of the Volunteers.
The currency they use is called yen.
They made gunpowder in China and they used it for fireworks.
They were the first ones to use paper money.
China's main language is Mandarin Chinese.
Santa there is called Dun Chi Loren.
China's population is more than 1 million people.
One famous holiday is Vesak.
The Great Wall of China used to be 6,000 miles long, and it is up to 15 to 30 feet tall.
Vesak is celebrated for the death of the founder of Buddhism.
They eat lots of rice, wheat, noodles, and stir fry.
They make rockets and race them.
In the center of China, it gets from 30 to 80 degrees in the summer. In the west, it gets to 100 degrees, and most of the rain comes in the monsoon season.
Their Christmas is called the Spring Festival. China has lots of deserts, rivers, and ravines. In the north, there are rice fields, and in the south, there are wheat fields. In the north, it can get below zero in the winter. The capital is Beijing.
再见。